Welcome to Bone Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I've taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 16 feet in meter 5 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of the outdoor sitting area is 6 feet 10 inches into 6 feet 10 inches in meter 2.08 into 2.08 meter. You can see here the planter and a sliding door for entrance. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 11 feet into 8 feet 6 inches in meter 3.35 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and a TV unit, and we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we will go on right side. So we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 4 feet 2 inches into 6 feet 10 inches in meter 1.27 into 2.08 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, the burner, sink, and we have a refrigerator arrangement. After that we will go on right side. So we have bedroom here. The size of the bedroom is 8 feet into 10 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 3.20 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go on left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom plus water closet is 8 feet into 4 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 1.37 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and also a shower area. Shower area and water closet both are separate, and we have 2 ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video, share with your friends. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.